Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to add images to Sharefactory using your phone. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So it's very easy to add images using your phone to your PlayStation 5 on Sharefactory. So let's switch over to my phone right now, and I'll show you how to do this. Now, first, you want to go ahead and go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and then download the application called PlayStation App, just like that. And this is what it's called, PlayStation App. Go ahead and install this, open it up, sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account. So once I open this up, this is what it will look like. Now, go to your friends list or messages, and swipe down from the top and locate someone to send a message to. You can send a message to this account I made. Search-browser, just like this. Go ahead and send this person a message. I use this just to send pretty much links to, like this, so I can go to the web browser real quick on the PlayStation 5. So I don't use that account for anything other than that. So once you have an account you want to go ahead and send a message to, what you want to do is select the image next to it. So I already sent an image, so there's me drinking some wine. So on the bottom you should see like a plus sign or like a little image sign right next to the smiley face. So if I select this, I can see my camera now. So here is one of the images. So let's go ahead and send this image again, and then press the send arrow. Now we'll send it. Boom, just like that. Now let's go over to my PlayStation 5. Now, press the PlayStation button, go to the game base, and go to messages or parties right now, and then locate the person you sent a message to. So here's Action 6. I just sent that message. Now go ahead and view the message. Then once this pops up, press the share button on your controller and take a picture. Otherwise, hold it down. And you should see all these different settings right here. Go to take picture or screenshot. Boom. Now I can see it on the left side of the screen. Right here, I just took this picture. Now what we could do is go back to Sharefactory with this image and use it now. So let's go back to Sharefactory, and we can use this in the video editor or photo editor. And if you went ahead and transferred images over from a USB stick, those will be overlays, which really won't work for what I want to do sometimes. So this method allows me to actually use pictures as screenshots. So if I press the X button and go to add screenshot now, I can use that image I sent over from my phone. So if I select it now with X and then add it with square, it will be imported to my timeline. There's me drinking some wine right there. Boom, it's that easy to add it. And then you can go back to the photo editor now. So let's go to photo edit and go to new project. And then just select something on here and go down to our image. Select it. Boom. We can go ahead and edit it now. So we can do whatever we want under here. So I usually just add like some kind of like filter to this. Let's add this one and see what it looks like. So it's very easy to go ahead and do this, guys. You can do it with pretty much anything. Or you can just go to google.com on your PlayStation 5 and then just take a screenshot of any picture you literally want. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.